Hey everybody, David Valentin here from Shaving Art Barbershop, and I'm here to bring you guys a video about retirement and being a barber and what it entails for a barber to retire from his career. One of the things that happens to a lot of barbers as they go along in their barber journey is that they don't plan for the future, and they don't have, let's say, something that somebody that works in corporate has, which is a 401k, a pension plan or something like that. I was just talking to my barbers about it, and I asked them what their plan was for the future and what are they gonna do. So I came across this app. It's called Acorns. I've asked a couple of people if they know what it is. I asked my buddy here and he doesn't know what it is, so I'm gonna pretty much show him what the app is about, and I'm gonna tell you guys what that app is about, because it might be in your best interest to invest in your future for your retirement. Alright, so how Acorns pretty much works is it pretty much rounds up to the nearest dollar of whatever you buy. Let's say if you buy something that costs $4.50 with your debit card, it rounds up to the next dollar. So that 50 cents gets invested into an IRA or a Roth IRA. And what happens is that as time goes by and you keep putting that change in there, you start investing without even having to think about it, which is awesome. So now you have a savings and also you have an investment account. So the investment account is going to be either, depending on how you want to invest, aggressively or not aggressively. So if you choose to invest aggressively, it's more of like stocks, and if you choose to invest not so aggressively, it's going to be mostly like government bonds, which have which pay off like from anywhere from 4 to 8% a year earnings. So what I pretty much want to tell you guys is this is a great opportunity for us barbers, everybody that works in the industry, to start investing in yourself, into your retirement. I know I'm with my wife, and she has a 401k, which she puts money in, and her company matches the money that she gets that she's putting in the account. So the company will match whatever she decides to put in the account, which is great. But what about us? What about the people that work and do 1099s, or we pay our own taxes and we have to file for our own things? It's hard to get benefits at all. I don't get I didn't have health benefits until recently. But what I'm trying to tell you guys is definitely go for it. Try to open one of these accounts and just start putting up money in there for the future. Just forget about that money, let it go up and down and all types of whatever the market does, let it do its thing. But down the line, you're usually gonna make money with these accounts. So what I'm gonna do now is send my boy the app through a link that I have. When he signs up for the app, he's gonna earn $5 and I'm gonna earn $5 too. And I'm gonna leave my link in the bio so you guys can sign up too. And you guys, I'll be benefiting, and you guys will be benefiting too. I was just telling my guys that I knew a barber, and I worked with a barber that was 76 years old. At 76 years old, this man had nothing in the bank, $0, and he pretty much had to live off what he was making. So if he would have started out young and he would have started putting away money in an investment account, a Roth IRA, or if, let's say, this Acorns app existed back in the day, he could be comfortable and have at least $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 in the bank, and he wouldn't have to worry about his bills and things like that in the future. So let's get conscious, and let's start thinking about our future as barbers. Let's start putting away money. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so you guys can click on that link and sign up. And until next time, guys.